Is this too much for you right now? We can postpone this if you've had enough of me right now. Truth be told.
Hi guys, so good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. I am Frostbite, and if you are new here, if you happen to be new here, I'm just basically discussing substantial things and yeah, my life. So currently it's 5:40, you know, in the afternoon, and today is July 29th, 2021. Okay, so I'm just gonna tell you what happened today. So I woke up like probably early. No, not early. So it's I woke up like 7, 8 in the morning, and yeah, I prepare and then went to my dentist. She is not my actual dentist, but she's my dentist here in my place. But my original dentist is in the province. So yeah, I went there. Daily, the things we need to do to take care of ourselves. And then what else? So yeah, I basically came back in the afternoon, and I did a little bit of grocery. Yeah, that's it. So I came back, and then I registered to the thing that is important to me this upcoming November. So I registered on that. Okay, so let's start. I just need to say that, guys, because I need to track everything that I do as well. And let's start. Okay, so our topic today is um, advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. So in this video, since I cannot cover all of that, I'll just cover the first part, which is the advantages of the artificial intelligence, or as the AI. So we are now in the modern world. We are currently progressing and innovating in all aspects of our lives, whether you are in the medical field and different industries and so on. So I think it's important to discuss this thing. So if you are in your teens or 20s, whatever age, hear it out, because I'm going to explain this to you. So, artificial intelligence is one of the emerging technologies which tries to stimulate human reasoning in AI systems. So, this was invented by John McCarthy um, in the year 1950. So, it's been a long time, right? And we're still, proving it every single day. So, what is AI? So, if you probably know that the simple thing is like texting or chatting, the predictive messages that was like popping in there. Yeah, it's one of the product of the AI. All right, so artificial intelligence is the ability of computer program to learn and think. Everything can be considered artificial intelligence if it involves program doing something that we would normally think would rely on the intelligence of human. So this is something that when we are as a nation, we are progressing. So this is the thing that you can't stop, because our brain are wired to get more and more intelligent every single day, and AI has been invented by a see how powerful our minds can be. So use it wisely. All right, so let's proceed to the advantages of the artificial intelligence. So, first is this is really important. This is the reduction in human error. The phrase human error was born because humans make mistakes from time to time, because we're imperfect. We're just humans, as they say, right? So, computers, however, do not make mistakes if they are programmed properly. So, um, you know, you cannot make mistake if it's properly, right? So, there's no really mistake, so it's perfect, okay. as long as the inputs are right, so we don't need to worry about anything. So with artificial intelligence, the decisions are taken from the previously gathered information applying a certain set. So errors are reduced and the chance of reaching accuracy with a greater degree of precision is a possibility. So by using Excel, the Grammarly checker, those stuff. It is really, they are, you know, really uh, great inventions of this time because it really helps a lot of us. So to reduce certain errors. So yeah. So another also is from when they forecast a weather, they are also using AI intelligence and that to reduce the majority of human error, as to making mistakes. So second one is takes risks instead of humans. So sorry there. So can do the risky things for us. Let it be going to Mars, defuse a bomb, mining for the coal and oil. It can be used as a lot of things. There are a lot of advantage of it. So one of the example here is um I will not say what's written in here because I'm not really far familiar with this example, but it's the Chernobyl. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, you guys. So I'm not AI. I'm human. Okay, but I'm reading it from here. So Chernobyl nuclear power plant explosion in Ukraine. Um, at that time, there was no AI-powered robots that can help us to minimize the effect of radiation by controlling the fire in early stages. As any human when close to the core was dead in a matter of minutes. They eventually poured sand and boron from helicopters from a mere distance. So that was the example written there. So I am not going to elaborate that because I'm not also familiar with that. So let's proceed with the third one. Let's skip the ah this is important. Available 24/7. So since it's like you know wait guys. Okay, let's proceed. I hope you can hear me. My phone is running out of battery. So the next one is available 24/7. So that means that whether we are asleep, it's working perfectly, and it's serving its purpose. Okay, so an average human will work for 4 to 6 hours a day, excluding the breaks. Humans are built Humans are built in such a way to get some time out of refreshing themselves and get ready for a new day of work, and even have weekly offered to stay intact with their work life and personal life. But using the AI, we can make machines work 24/7 without any breaks, and they don't even get tired or bored, just like us. So this is one of the advantages. I am not going to discuss the disadvantages of this one, but as I've mentioned, we're going to focus on the advantage for now. Okay, so on the separate video, I'm going to discuss it. So let's continue again. So again, it is really it is good in helping in repetitive jobs. So as you know, there are certain jobs that we do for repetition, and in that case, if you are a human, you will get extremely exhausted. But if it's the AI, so in our day-to-day work, we'll be performing many repetitive works like sending a Thanksgiving mail, verifying certain documents for errors, and many more things. So by using the AI, it can be productively automate this mundane task and can even remove boring tasks for humans. So it's really helpful if it's used in like this jobs, the repetitive jobs, guys. So the next one is So guys, this is the last one. No? I won't discuss the other stuff because it's kind of like comprehensive and I myself don't know it at all. Not at all, but I'm not really in depth on that part. So the next one is new inventions. So AI is powering many inventions in almost every domain, which will help humans solve the majority of complex problems. So an example of this one is recently doctors can predict breast cancer in the woman at earlier stages using advanced AI based technologies. So before these things like evolve and can use like legitly here, so they cannot detect like early stages of those cancer. Okay, so now these days we can, this is really now possible, so we're lucky somehow. Okay, so as every bright side has a darker version in it, artificial intelligence also has some disadvantage that I will be discussing in the following video. So that's it, guys. I hope you like our topic today. So I want to plot all the certain topics that I wanted to discuss with you, but as I said, I'm going to be like really busy on the upcoming month. So I think I'm going to rest on TikTok. I don't know if I will remove the app for now for the following months because I really have to focus on something else. Okay, guys, but I will. This is like important topic, so I will check on other topics that we can discuss. So we are helping each other grow. You and I, also myself. I wanted to learn a lot. All right, so thank you, guys. So my channel is like abroad. We just don't tackle about love and all of that, and not just basically my amazing life, but we will discuss like things that are here on earth and outside the earth. All right, so thank you for watching. Thank you for sitting down there, whether you are washing the plate, washing the dishes, doing laundry, or smoking. Yeah, don't smoke, okay? Don't drink. Joke. I'm just joking. Drink in moderation, okay? So, 'cause I love drinking as well. Not too much, all right? So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for helping me make this world a better place for all of us, and let's live and learn every single day because you know it helps us.
But everything's off. I know they treat you so awful. So trapped in this moment.